Today we gonna make yummy coconut milk rasam. In a pan, add 3 spoon of oil, half spoon of mustard seeds, spoon of urud dal, a pinch of asafoedita, 1 red chilli, some curry leaves. Add 3 green chilli. Add 5 to 6 crushed garlic. One large tomato of finely chopped. Sauté for a minute. Spoon of jeera powder. Add 100 milliliters of water. 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Boil for 2 minutes. Half a cup of tamarind water. Boil for 5 minutes. Add salt as per taste. Add 2 cups of thick coconut milk. Don't boil too much after adding coconut milk. When it starts to boil, add some coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Our yummy and tasty coconut milk rasam is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.